Hey guys, it's your girl Kaylee Sparks here with you today, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to install crochet braid and let it look so natural. So this is the braid that I used today. It's a Senegal box braid. See that, guys? And this is the crochet hook that I'm going to use because I'm going to try not to damage my hair. So it's a very small crochet hook, so it's slide in easy and pull out easy without any damage to your natural hair. Make sure when you're tailoring your hair, don't do it too tight, just do it a little bit slack. So guys, this is my hairstyle, and this is the back, so it look natural. Right around it, if I choose to catch up my hair, it will just look like I just naturally braid my hair. You can put it into any part that you of your choice, just do it the way how you like it. So let's jump straight into this video. Hey guys, I'm super excited to show you this hairstyle. I know you guys were waiting on it, and here it is. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, guys. So if you notice that my crochet braid have a loop on it, and that is a good thing. So notice the pattern that I did my hair in. That's the pattern that's going to give me that great natural look feel. My hair is puffy because I did not detangle my hair properly, because I was just so super exhausted and I just wanted to do this video for you guys. So let's jump straight into this. Take your crochet hook and place it right in between that loop of your crochet hair, right into that center. Then place it into your hair as close as possible to the end of your cornrow. Hitch the end and pull through your natural hair, and then pull through that loop on your hair. Voila! Such a 1, 2, 3, super easy, guys. Take note again. Take your crochet hook and place it in between that space. Hitch it into your hair. Take the end of that hair and put it into the hook and latch that hook. Then pull through your natural hair and straight through the end of that loop. And you guys get it. It's so simple, easy. So just do around your hair lining, so that you know that's the most important place that persons are going to see. You do that section first, right around your hair lining. This hairstyle is super easy and it's beginners friendly, so you know that you can do your own hair on yours by yourself. And this hair is super budget friendly. This hair can wash and reuse. So as close as possible to the end. Make sure that your cornrows are not super tight. Make sure that they have space, can take your braid. Right back to the first section, put it as close to the end of the cornrow, hitch that hair, pull through your natural hair and straight through that braid as well. So you're going to do right around the edge, all of the most important part. You know that the center part is an important part because that's the section that will show up your hairstyle even more. So you see, guys, this technique of crochet braid make life more easier. Why put in your hook first in your hair, then pull through, then have to pull the next end through? That don't make any sense. Just place that hook right in between that loop, then place it into your hair and just do one pull. Guys, I'm so super excited. The hair starts to look so cute already, and it don't reach anywhere. So I'm filling up the gap now of my center part. do a slant, push through those sections slant, don't do it straight. When you're going to fill it up, you can do it straight. So each time you reach at that 3-way, I call it 3-way, guys, you do that slant. So look again, guys, slant right through that section, hitch that end, pull through your hair and pull straight through that loop. Super easy. It's no rocket science, guys. You get this, you got it, you can do it. So guys, I know that you were waiting on this hairstyle and now you have it. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button so I can give you more awesome videos like this. If there's any other video that you would love to see, please leave it into the comment down below so that I can do that video for you. So I hope you guys taking close note of the way that I cornrow my hair, and as you can see, my hair start to have that natural braid look. See that, guys? Ooh, I'm so in love with it. So I'm going to go to the side and then go around to the back. Fill out the edge just the same way. And now I'm going to the back. You do the back this way as well because you want, if you decide to catch up your hair into one, you want your entire hair to have that natural looking feed. You want it to look like, hey, I just go to the hairdresser and I get my hair all braided up without no one knowing that it is crochet braid. So you're just going to do the same thing to the next section, and when you finish that, you just fill it out. So voila, here's my hairstyle, guys. Super cute and I'm loving it. So make sure, if you haven't done it as yet, what are you waiting? Hit that subscribe button and be a part of the Sparks family. Peace out. Love you guys.